For old people, it can be difficult to find love. But it's possible at the IKEA store in Shanghai, China. Every Tuesday, hundreds visit the IKEA cafe, but not for the Swedish food. They bring their own lunches and chat together. They hope to find a partner. In the past, Gu Yi-jun was a bus driver. He travels 90 minutes to get to IKEA. It's good fun, and he might find a partner.
So I come to the thought that it could be better to find a partner here. But if not, it's also a way to relax and have fun. Is it much better than facing the mirror alone at home, as I can only see myself in the reflection?
China has 30 million people over 60 years old. 1/4 are single. Before, families all lived together. Now, old people often have to live alone. Qingqing is 70, and her job was looking after old people. Now, it's her time to find love.
When I reached this age, I realized I had a yearning for love as well. So you see, people change. It's not embarrassing to speak out. Not only do young people need love, but elderly people also need love.
No one knows what made IKEA a good meeting place. The old people started arriving 10 years ago. The company often tried to stop the meetings, but it didn't work. For Zhu Yizhen, IKEA's the perfect place.
This is a kind of a way of life. To be honest, it's in accordance with my personal standard of living. This place is not very extravagant. There are some practical difficulties for us to go to more elegant places if we want to go. This popular place suits us better.